Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to change the auto lock on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So basically we press the button from there, scroll from the bottom, press the settings, and then here we have auto lock, which is here. Auto lock basically takes 5 seconds. We can change it to 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and we could also cover to sleep. So we can have the cover at least 80% of the screen when your hand is put to sleep. So I don't know what that actually means. Oh, like you basically have to cover how much screen to put it to sleep. So you can cover it, and that's basically how you put it to sleep if you want to do it faster. So you can have cover to sleep, which is actually pretty useful, and also auto lock in 20 seconds. Of course, if you have it at 20 seconds, it's going to be on all day and it's going to drain the battery much faster. So make sure that you put it at a setting that you're comfortable with. I would say maybe 10 seconds is quite useful. I think 5 is too short. So there you go. And also you can have it on auto wake up, so it wakes up when you pick it up and it's very comfortable. So yeah, that's how you change the auto lock on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.